Welcome to GardenBambooPlants.com. Let's uncover the top 9 low-light office plants. Even within the confines of our offices, a splash of green can transform a sterile workspace into a haven of calmness and inspiration. Join us on a journey to discover the top 9 low-light office plants that will not only enhance your office desk, but also bring a touch of good fortune to your workday. But why 9 plants? These low-light plants thrive in areas with minimal sunlight. They are perfect for offices, as they can add greenery without needing excessive light, and the number 9 is associated with happy endings, fulfillment, and the completion of cycles. It's often seen as a symbol of spiritual enlightenment and the attainment of higher knowledge. So let's dive into the 9 office plants that require low light. 1. The indestructible ZZ plant, your office survivalist. This botanical marvel, with its glossy, dark green leaves, seems to defy the very laws of nature. Its foliage is not just beautiful, but also incredibly tough, making it a perfect fit for any office environment. Its ability to withstand drought conditions and low light is a testament to its remarkable resilience. Whether your office is bathed in sunlight or tucked away in a dim corner, the ZZ plant will flourish. In the world of feng shui, the ZZ plant is believed to attract wealth and good fortune, making it an ideal companion for those climbing the corporate ladder. Imagine this striking plant adorning your desk, its upright stems and perfectly aligned leaves, adding a touch of understated elegance to your workspace. Its care is as effortless as its beauty is captivating. You don't need a green thumb to keep this plant looking its best. A simple drink of water every few weeks is all it takes to keep this botanical wonder thriving. It's the perfect plant for busy professionals who want greenery without the hassle. So, if you're seeking a low-maintenance yet visually stunning plant to enhance your workspace, look no further than the ZZ plant. It's the ultimate office survivalist, ready to bring life and beauty to your work environment. 2. Snake plant, the guardian of good energy. With its upright sword-like leaves, the snake plant commands attention, radiating an aura of strength and resilience. Known for its air-purifying qualities, it removes toxins and releases oxygen, fostering a healthier workspace. Believed to ward off negative energy and attract good fortune, it's favored in homes and offices. Picture it standing tall on your desk, enhancing the natural beauty of your workspace. Thriving in low light and with minimal watering, it's ideal for busy environments. Adapting effortlessly, it requires minimal care. In feng shui, it's a powerful protector, enhancing positive energy. Available in various pot styles, it complements any decor. From collaborative workspaces to personal desks, it fits seamlessly. Its soothing presence reduces stress, making it valuable in any workspace. 3. Spider plant, the air-purifying acrobat. With its cascading leaves and air-cleansing abilities, the spider plant is a true marvel of nature. This botanical acrobat produces offshoots or spiderettes that dangle from the mother plant like miniature spiders suspended on silken threads. Studies have shown that spider plants can remove harmful toxins such as formaldehyde and xylene from the air, making them a valuable addition to any office environment. Picture this air-purifying marvel adorning your workspace, its cascading foliage creating a sense of tranquility and calm amidst the hustle and bustle of your workday. It can tolerate a wide range of light conditions and only requires watering when the soil feels dry. Whether placed in a dimly lit corner or near a window with indirect sunlight, the spider plant adapts effortlessly, making it perfect for any desk setup. Its minimal maintenance needs mean you can enjoy its beauty and benefits without much effort. Just ensure the soil doesn't remain soggy and your spider plant will flourish. Pair it with other low-light office plants to create a green oasis that not only enhances your workspace aesthetics but also boosts your productivity and well-being. 4. Peace lily, a symphony of elegance and tranquility. With its graceful dark green leaves and striking white blooms, the peace lily is a sight to behold, a botanical masterpiece that evokes a sense of peace and serenity. This botanical peacemaker is a champion air purifier, effectively removing harmful toxins such as formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene from the air. Picture this elegant beauty adorning your workspace, its pristine white blooms standing out against the backdrop of its lush green leaves. As you work, you can almost feel the tension melting away, replaced by a sense of calm and focus. It can thrive in low-light conditions and only needs watering when the soil feels dry. The peace lily is not just a plant, it's a statement of elegance and tranquility, making it a perfect addition to any office environment. Its low maintenance needs and air-purifying qualities make it an ideal companion for those who seek both beauty and functionality in their workspace. 5. Pothos, Philodendron Brazil, also known as Pothos or devil's ivy, is a popular trailing or vining office plant that is easy to care for and can adapt to a wide range of conditions. Here are some care tips for Philodendron Brazil. This botanical marvel, with its heart-shaped leaves cascading down like a verdant waterfall, is a sight to behold, a testament to nature's artistry. It's a symbol of prosperity and good fortune, believed to attract wealth and abundance to its surroundings. Envision this cascading beauty adorning your workspace, its vibrant green leaves draping down the sides, creating a sense of abundance and vitality. As you work, you can almost feel the positive energy flowing around you, inspiring creativity and productivity. It can tolerate a wide range of light conditions, from low to bright indirect light, and only requires watering when the soil feels dry. The Pothos plant is also known for its air-purifying qualities, making it an excellent choice for improving indoor air quality. With minimal care, this resilient plant can thrive and grow, adding a touch of nature to your workspace and enhancing your overall well-being. Whether placed on a shelf, in a hanging basket, or on your desk, the Pothos plant is a versatile and beautiful addition to any office environment. 6. Philodendron, the heart-shaped non-climbing varieties. With its heart-shaped leaves and air-purifying abilities, the philodendron is a popular choice for both homes and offices. It symbolizes abundance, prosperity, and good fortune like its vining cousin, the pothos. Picture this heart-shaped herald of prosperity adorning your workspace, its lush green leaves adding a touch of nature's elegance to your surroundings. As you work, you can feel the positive energy radiating from this botanical beauty, inspiring creativity and a sense of well-being. It thrives in low to moderate light conditions and only needs to be watered when the soil is completely dry. The philodendron is not just a plant, it's a symbol of resilience and growth. Its ability to adapt to different environments makes it perfect for any office setting. Whether placed in a cozy home office or a bustling corporate environment, the philodendron brings a sense of calm and tranquility. Remember to water it only when the soil feels bone dry, ensuring it remains healthy and vibrant. Watch as new leaves unfurl, symbolizing new beginnings and continuous growth, making it a perfect companion for your professional journey. 7. Chinese Evergreen, a kaleidoscope of luck and prosperity. This plant is believed to bring good fortune and prosperity, making it a cherished addition to homes and offices alike. Its foliage is a visual delight, a stunning array of colors and patterns that can transform any room into a more vibrant and welcoming space. Picture this kaleidoscope of luck brightening your desk, infusing your workspace with vibrant energy and positivity. Its presence can inspire creativity and a sense of optimism. Thriving in low light and needing minimal care, it's ideal for busy professionals. The Chinese evergreen is not just a plant, it's a symbol of resilience and adaptability. Its air-purifying qualities make it a practical and beautiful addition to any workspace. 8. Cast iron plant, the unkillable champion of resilience. This botanical marvel truly lives up to its name, enduring neglect and flourishing in tough environments. Its resilience is unparalleled, making it a favorite among plant enthusiasts and novices alike. Its rich green, shiny leaves add sophistication to any setting, making it popular for homes and workplaces. It enhances visual appeal and brings a sense of tranquility. As you work, draw inspiration from its durability. The cast iron plant stands as a reminder of strength and perseverance. It tolerates dim lighting and sparse watering, perfect for busy lifestyles. Its minimal care needs make it an ideal companion. 9. English ivy, the air-purifying climber of good fortune. With its trailing vines and air-purifying qualities, English ivy is a popular choice for adding a touch of nature's elegance to both homes and offices. It symbolizes fidelity, good luck, and protection. Picture this air-purifying climber adorning your workspace, its trailing vines draping down the sides, creating a sense of tranquility and sophistication. As you work, you can breathe easy, knowing that English ivy is diligently working to cleanse the air around you, removing harmful toxins and creating a healthier work environment. It can tolerate low to moderate light conditions and only needs to be watered when the soil feels dry. This versatile plant can adapt to various office settings, making it an ideal choice for those looking to enhance their workspace with minimal effort. Whether placed in a pot on your desk or allowed to climb a small trellis, English ivy adds a touch of greenery that can boost your mood and productivity. Regular trimming will keep your English ivy looking its best and encourage new growth, ensuring it remains a vibrant part of your office decor. So there you have it, 9 extraordinary plants capable of turning your dimly lit office into a flourishing haven of greenery. From purifying the air we breathe to alleviating stress and enhancing productivity, these botanical marvels can significantly impact our well-being. Another remarkable plant that deserves a mention is the lucky Brazilian plant. You'll be captivated by its beauty. Watch the video linked here to learn more.